most awaited moments of our evening, the prize distribution ceremony. This is the time when we honor the students who have demonstrated exceptional talent, dedication, and excellence in their pursuits. We are proud to celebrate their achievements, and to do the honors, we invite our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Bhashyam Saketram sir, our guest of honor, Mr. Murali Krishna sir, and our alumni guest, Mr. K. Venkata Hanuma Pushpaka sir, to join us on stage for the prize distribution. Let's begin this moment of recognition and pride as we celebrate the achievements of our young Bloomites. First, let's welcome our adorable little stars from nursery who have put their hearts into their work. Their dedication and enthusiasm deserve to be celebrated. I invite A. Anish from PP1 and R. Vihana. I request all the parents to give them a big, huge round of applause. Next we have our curious little explorers from PP1 who have taken their first steps into the world of learning with wonder and excitement. B. Thanvisha and M. Gahan. I request all the parents to please give them a huge round of applause. Up next are our energetic achievers from PP2 who have shown remarkable dedication while balancing learning and play. The winners are here G. Jayashvik and Y. Kaushiki. Here come our bright-eyed learners from grade 1 who have demonstrated curiosity and an incredible thirst for knowledge. K. Darshini and V. Nandita of grade 1. Next, we celebrate the determined achievers from grade 2 who have worked hard to earn their awards. The winners are here M. Varshit and K. Mokshit from grade 2. To recognize our inquisitive minds from grade 3 who have displayed exceptional determination and academic excellence. The winners are here B. Manvi Janisha and A. Litika from grade 3. Let's give a warm round of applause for the creative minds from grade 4 whose consistent efforts have earned them these well-deserved awards. T. Ishan and V. Gnanasai Charan. Now let's give a warm round of applause for the creative minds of grade 4 whose consistent efforts have earned them these well-deserved awards, that is like S. Hanish and K. Pallavi from grade 4B. Next, we proudly welcome the focused achievers of grade 5 who have shown outstanding commitment to their studies. The winners are here S. Anup Kamal and I. Cherishma from grade 5. Congratulations to all the winners. I request all the parents to give them a huge round of applause. Here come the rising scholars from grade 6 who have made remarkable progress in their academic journey. The winners are here P. Joel Praneeth and K. Akshakna. Congratulations. Next up are our dedicated students from grade 7, ready to receive recognition for their tireless efforts and achievements. The winners are here, Y Sahasra and Ye Akshara. Finally, let's cheer for the brilliant minds from grade 8 who have pushed boundaries and shown incredible resilience in their academic journey. The winners are here, Y Adrit and K Jashwant. Congratulations to all our young achievers. Your hard work, perseverance and dedication have truly paid off. Each one of you is a shining example of what can be accomplished with focus and determination. A big round of applause for all our winners. You have made us proud. Consistency is the key to success, and today we are proud to honor those students who have demonstrated remarkable dedication and commitment by achieving the best attendance throughout the academic year. Their unwavering focus, discipline and responsibility set a wonderful example for their peers. Such dedication reflects not only their determination but also their enthusiasm for learning. From PP1, C.H. Suhansh and S. Dushyant from PP2, S. Yokshit from grade 1, M. Varshit Karthikeyan from grade 2, E. Pranav from grade 3, P. Yogeshwar and M. Dayaram Charan from grade 4A, K. Parthu from grade 4B, T. Sahiti from grade 5, D. Abhinav from grade 6, K. Prem Rahul from grade 7 and D. Navadeep from grade 8. Education is not just about learning. It's about striving for excellence, pushing boundaries and unlocking true potential. Today, we are proud to present the prestigious Cambridge University Special Prizes awarded to students who have demonstrated exceptional performance in their assessments under the Cambridge curriculum. These awards recognize students who have excelled in academics, critical thinking, and skill-based learning qualities that align with the high standards set by Cambridge University. We are proud to announce the recipients of the Student of the Year. G. Ayanch from grade 3, A. Beninyashri from grade 4, R. Karthikeya Reddy from grade 6, and K. Ishani from grade 7. Let's give these brilliant young minds a big round of applause for their remarkable accomplishments. Their achievement reflects the power of perseverance, dedication, and the pursuit of excellence. Congratulations to our proud achievers, and we wish you continued success in all your future endeavors. Our school's growth and success are deeply rooted in the dedication and hard work of its teachers. Today, we are proud to honor one such exceptional educator whose unwavering commitment has played a vital role in shaping our school's progress. What makes this achievement even more remarkable is that she has chosen from among her fellow teachers, reflecting the unity and mutual respect within our staff. Not only was she appreciated by her colleagues, but her dedication and impact were also recognized by the school administration, acknowledging her consistent efforts towards the prosperity of our institution. With immense pride, we are delighted to announce that the Best Teacher Award goes to Ramya Ma'am. Congratulations, ma'am. Congratulations, ma'am, on this well-deserved honor. Your hard work, passion, and positive influence continue to inspire us all. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Basham Saketram sir, whose unwavering dedication and visionary leadership have been a constant source of inspiration to many. Sir, your commitment to excellence has played a vital role in shaping Basham Blooms into the institution it is today. We are truly honored to have you with us this evening. As a token of our gratitude, we now invite our Zonal Executive Officer, Sir Govind Rajulu sir of East Zone 1 and Sriman Narayana Reddy sir from West Zone to present a memento to our distinguished chief guest. Thank you, sir, for your encouragement, support, and invaluable presence today. Next, we extend our warm gratitude to our esteemed guest of honor, Mr. Murali Krishna sir, a distinguished personality whose contributions to education and society are truly commendable. Sir, your presence here today is a tremendous honor, and we deeply appreciate the time you have taken to join us. As a token of our respect and gratitude, we now invite Zonal Executive Officer Sir Anjaneyulu sir of East Zone 2 and Srinivas sir of East Zone 3 to present a memento to our esteemed guest of honor. Thank you, sir. With immense pride, we now welcome back one of our own, our esteemed alumni guest, Mr. K. Venkata Hanuma Pushpak sir. Seeing our former students excel in their respective fields fills us with immense joy. Your remarkable achievements are a testament to the strong foundation of values and education you received here at Basham Blooms. Your presence today is an inspiring to our current students, reminding them that hard work and perseverance pave the way to success. Thank you, sir, for taking the time to be with us today and for reminding us that the bonds created in school truly last a lifetime. Let's give a big round of applause to all our esteemed guests whose presence has truly made this event even more special. Thank you for all the dignitaries.